Hi, I'm just going to unboxing my 2020 MacBook Pro 13-inch space gray. So let's unbox my MacBook Pro. And battery life is up to 10 hours, quite long. I already used full charged and it was taking nearly 12 hours, so I think is the average is 10 hours up to definitely you can use, and really is good battery life. So current spaces for MacBook Pro 2020 only 13-inch and 16-inch sizes, True Tone display and touch bar, up to 8 TB SSD on 16 GB, up to 4 TB on 13-inch, up to 10th generation Intel chips, up to 8 core on 16-inch, 4 core on 13-inch, T2 chip for enhanced security and high series support, and new Magic Keyboard. So altogether is a quite improvement for new MacBook Pro 2020. And 13-inch Retina display with True Tone, Magic Keyboard, Touch Bar and Touch ID, and graphics is a Intel OS Plus graphics. MacBook Pro up to 10th generation processor with up to 80% faster graphics performance, stunning Retina display with a True Tone technology. Most of them they are confused to buy and they don't decide, and they panic which one should you buy, MacBook Pro or MacBook Air. So I'll say, if you want to video editing or any big project, you have to go MacBook Pro, don't buy MacBook Air. So MacBook Air only for university student and small project who can do, and big project and big graphics design and many things you can do on MacBook Pro. Also, Apple MacBook Pro 2020, they upgraded a processor, lets you get more than everything you love about the MacBook Pro, but with more power. The 2020 version of the MacBook Pro is perfect for all your creative projects, just like always. But now that you have got an upgrade processor, everything is faster and smoother. Don't waste time waiting for things to load with super fast SSD storage. The Magic Keyboard is seriously impressive. Short of the Magic Keyboard, performance incredibly well on the 13-inch MacBook Pro. They already tested 48 hours into testing. The typing experience is identical to what we found on the 2020 MacBook Pro. So I think is a MacBook Pro 2020, the keyboard, Magic Keyboard, really the improvement, and it is response very quickly and really good and smooth, nice. And touchpad, incredibly massive improvement, and it is response very quickly and not delay anything to typing or finger, like zooming or whatever you want to do your by finger on touchpad. Really response is very quick rather than is a previous version. So I'll say definitely is a 2020 MacBook Pro the major improvement for their MacBook Pro 2020. So 2020 MacBook Pro, it is 256 GB, and previous version 2019 MacBook Pro, it was 128 GB. So no more and no longer any devices MacBook Pro is making shorter storage. So they off this one. So now we'll have a 256 GB and 512 GB. So actually is a 2019 and 2020, the improvement, not big difference, only is the improvement keyboard. So it was a butterfly keyboard, so now is a Magic Keyboard. It is responding very quickly and very nice, and you'll feel very quality things. And as well they improve the touchpad and as well fingerprint. So altogether they unique, the made and build high quality things. So you'll never be disappointed with a MacBook Pro 2020, or really love it, and I recommend everyone to buy this one. And as well who is going to be blogging, YouTube or video editing, I'll suggest to buy MacBook Pro. Don't buy any MacBook Air, because MacBook Air only for who is a student, university student and small project, they can do a MacBook Air. If you enjoy the video, please like, comment and share. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to be notified when I upload the new videos. Thank you for watching.